What is up, guys, and welcome back to the throtl YouTube channel. Today's episode is very special, I promise you that. But before we get into it, I gotta let you know that our Black Friday through Cyber Monday sales on throtl.com are live. They are our deepest discounts of the year, and for the first time ever, we're doing 2 times entries for the GTR Sweepstakes. So for every $1 you spend, you're gonna get 2 automatic entries to win the car. And if you're a throtlVIP member, you're gonna get 10 entries to win the car, which is pretty awesome. Last but not least, we have new merchandise that just hit the site. We've got flannels, hoodies, t-shirts, keychains, and a ton more. So if you want to check that out, check out the top link in the video description. Get those entries in and enjoy today's episode. I am going to be spending the day here at Ghost Wraps getting our R35 GTR prepped for vinyl wrapping. So we have the Sweepstakes R35 GTR here. All of our beautiful new carbon pieces are already on the car. I do need to take some things off to get this thing prepped so that we can wrap it. So the first one is going to be the rear bumper, the tail lights, the rear diffuser needs to come off, a few other minor things such as the antenna up there. We got to take the moldings and the trim off of the fenders. The front bumper and splitter needs to be taken off. So when they go to wrap it, it'll be a much easier, much quicker job. So I'm gonna be spending the day here getting this thing ready. The color change on this thing is going to be absolutely epic, and this is the first step to getting there. So let's get started. All right, so I am finished up here for today. We got everything taken off that we needed to, the mirrors, moldings, bumpers, splitters, diffusers. Everything is off, ready for this color change. It's gonna be sick. As much as I'm gonna miss the gray, the color change is going to be insane, and I cannot wait to see this thing when it's done. This is gonna be epic. I'm very excited. So I'm gonna head out. We're gonna let the boys at Ghost Wrap do their thing.
Alright, I'm currently on my way up to Carlsbad to go to Ghost Wraps and see the GTR. As you saw previously, Quinn was there all day yesterday, disassembling the entire car, taking off all the bumpers, side skirts, trim pieces, front lip, rear diffuser, all that good stuff, getting it ready for CJ to start wrapping today. So I am now on my way there, maybe help CJ out a little bit while we're there and get some good content for you guys. So I'll pick up the camera once I get to Ghost Wraps. CJ, you've never wrapped a GTR before?
First time for everything.
The vinyl that we chose for the GTR is a Nosatech Super Gloss Blood Red. We met up with these guys at SEMA, had some great talks with them, and we've heard nothing but good things about their vinyl. So we're super excited to see how it turns out. It's supposed to look a little bit more like paint instead of a wrap. So let's see how this goes.
If there's any tension on the sides, heating the edges, make sure that tension goes away so when you properly tuck it, it doesn't pull back. So I've already done it, but you can kind of see up here, it's going to change its looking by the fingers, and once those are gone, that's properly relaxed.
CJ, day one, done.
Thank you, brother.
Adios. Stop taking videos. Alright. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'll have all of it done now.
Tomorrow, all of it done?
All of it.
He said it.
He said it.
Yeah,
He said it.
Can't break
He said it.
Tomorrow is all done.
All done, 100%.
Specific color of
All done. Later.
there, bro.
Hola, soy Dora.
We just got here. I see a little sliver of color through the front windshield. This thing is gonna be sick, dude. Okay, so we just got to ghost wraps. The guys are jamming on the car. Thing looks sick. The color is beautiful. So I'm gonna start wrapping up the car and start putting it back together. They actually need the mirrors installed on the car to finish wrapping the front covers of it. So I'm gonna get to jamming on that. They're gonna finish wrapping the bumpers and we're gonna kind of meet in the middle and start putting this thing back together properly. One of the things we're going to be replacing while we're reassembling the GTR are these. So these are the front bumper corner lights. We're going for kind of a more Euro clear instead of the factory orange, which is going to be a nice upgrade. Also, we need to replace this. So this is the driver's side door car. This is the window switch, and as you can see, it's got the typical mid-2000s Nissan problems where the finish starts coming off. So we actually have a new replacement button assembly for this, so we're going to go ahead and throw this in while we throw the door card on. Boom. See? Told you.
Now it's done?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
There's no nuts or bolts or anything missing?
Nope.
You sure?
Yeah.
Open the door, Quinn.
There you go. That's in the bin over there. I didn't get to that one yet.
There you go, bud.
Little push pin there.
That's Quinn quality.
Little push pin action. See? Why are you stressing, dog? Why are you stressing? I have to assemble this door card. It's probably going to take a while, but with the power of editing, and we're done. Let's go. We've got our emblems and grills back on the bumper, so we're gonna go ahead and throw this on our carbon fiber lip and get this thing back on the car. That looks freaking beautiful, dude.
Yeah.
But,
Whoa. Chill.
We have one more piece left. Rear bumper. Then it's done. The front. It's beautiful.
Right here, dog.
right there. Right there. Yeah, that's it.
You got that wide angle lens on. But yeah, that's it.
Oh, yeah.
So we're done for today. We got most of the car completely finished.
All we have left is the rear bumper and the mirrors, and it's completely done, and then we can take it back.
So I'm gonna come back Friday morning, first thing. We're gonna slam the rear bumper on, get this car dialed in, and then surprise everybody back at the shop. We'll see you guys Friday morning.
Oh, I see it! Woo! Yeah! Oh, he's rocking the new hat too. Damn! Woo! Santa's sleigh is here. Wow. That is awesome.
Dude, it looks fantastic.
Tank?
Yeah.
They are the best, in my opinion. Wow. Blood red is the color. Of course, we got Tree Man over here just shredding.
Good, sick.
Sick,
It looks
right?
like paint almost. It's
I know.
like really good.
Wow.
I'm glad we left the carbon stuff all carbon.
Yeah,
Because it
me
pops
too.
so much more. It looks so good.
Black roof as well. Ghost Wraps, you did a fantastic job. Wow. White cars, ready for that? Santa's sleigh. All right, guys, that is all the time we have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the Blood Red by Tech Ghost Wraps. Once again, thank you so much for killing it. Turned out amazing. And we have some really awesome content planned for the GTR in the future, which you guys, hopefully, if you're subscribed, you're gonna see those episodes coming up. And real quick, before I let you guys go, shop our Black Friday through Cyber Monday sales. They're live on the site right now. And as I mentioned earlier, we're doing 2 times entries on all purchases. So every dollar you spend is 2 entries to win the GTR. It is going to make one of you guys very, very happy. It is an amazing car, and we still have quite a bit planned for it as well. So if you like this video, please leave us a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Double rip.
You dropped your nuts?
Always dropping nuts, dog. No nut goes undropped around me.
Yeah, just go ahead.
Jesus.
Go ahead and throw that anywhere. Quinn. You thinking what I'm thinking? We put the taillights back in. Clean her up a little bit.
You thinking we Mad Max this thing?
Oh, that's sick.
Bash bar?
All we need to do to make this rear wheel drive is take the center drive shaft out. That's it. Boom, rear wheel drive. No tuning, nothing. Just delete the drive shaft. We got a drift car.
I can see it. I see it.
I'm just saying,
Take
we
out the
can
cul-de-sac,
make
have
it
some
work.
fun with it.
Can make it happen.